This is my 1976 Chevrolet C10. Standard cab, long box obviously. Long box, the only box that your truck should have. Bought this thing in Arizona for $300. It was not lowered like this or anything, although did have that damage on the back. You know, all this damage is from the previous owner. And when I got it, I was inside working at AutoZone when I was in Arizona. A gentleman brings this truck in, was having trouble with one of the butterflies on the carburetor. He got so upset with it and mad that he was done with it. He asked if anybody here was interested in buying it. The coworker ran back, grabbed me, said, "Hey, I found a truck for you." So I go up there, ask him how much he wants. He said $300. I'm like, awesome. Come out and look at it right now. Seems okay, just has the running issue. From then on, I went to go get the money at the gas station that was right next door. I mean, literally right next door. Between the time of me going to get the cash and coming back, he had blown up the engine and shelled the main shaft on the transmission. All in that short little time because he ran it wide open, put it in gear, snapped the main shaft, and let the truck run wide open. So there was rod bearing shot. I get back and I'm like, well, you just ruined the entire truck. Will you take less? Nope. He said, I'll scrap it for less than $300. Deal was done. There are a few things wrong with it. It's rusted up here in the cowl. Cab corners, like every Chevy, every Ford, every Dodge. Cab corner there. Besides the mismatched tires, I need to get rims and tires put on this. I'm actually gonna bring this thing back up. Right now it's too low. I like the way it looks this way. I just don't like how it drives this way. The huge benefit to this thing is I can load this with just a ramp. Besides lowering it, what I did to it is I bought a donor 89 Suburban that was very, very rusty. Took all the fuel injection, everything out, and stuck it in this truck. So it has everything from an 89 Suburban in it. Engine, fuel injection, all of that. I did upgrade it to, I think the 89s had a 700 R4, but I obviously couldn't use the four-wheel drive transmission. Me and my buddy built a 700 R4 to put in here. The truck runs great, starts up every time. Things need to be fixed. So that's why this thing is going under the knife. Here, let me pop the hood for you. It's gonna be dirty, so don't cringe too much. The truck was originally yellow. The cab was yellow, inside's yellow. They painted it white. That is the 350 from the 1989 Suburban. You can see that it was yellow. Here is the rot on the firewall that I need to fix. I actually have a part from the Suburban that I cut out to save for this. And I'm confused because this is not a 76 box side because it has a door instead of just a cap. But there's parts on the box that are yellow, like over there. I'm confused that they must have put a different box side on this side of the truck, I'm assuming. If you're interested in square bodies, stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this one.